hetero amvundisikazi nomkhubulwane angwedi antu anomdudu aloli azinzisa anumza avusa amazulu ayimotep hayi siyabonga Ndlovukazi. Sibonge nakuwe Ndlovukazi usinikeza ama-announcement. Indlovukazi ikhulumile la ukuthi sizo-developa umoya. It's not only the physical. Kepha silokho sihamba endleleni yomoya kunezinto vele ezisithiphayo. Izolo njengoba isho Ndlovukazi besilapha kuvusa amazulu. Into ekuphazamisa emoyeni mawufika la ubona igama lika Oppenheimer. Lelo gama lisuswe la.
Imango Oppenheimer.
Ngoba uOppenheimer kuthiwa uye owadonate leya site. How can you donate stolen property? Manje izona izinto ke lezi makhehla esihlangana ngazo la ukuthi kahle sithina sifuna total liberation. Asifuni lento ukuthi kudilwa ngama symptoms. I-government iyeka njani ukuthi le ndawo engcwele fothina ibizwe ngo-Oppenheimer. Ukuthi Oppenheimer is a thief. Wawutshontsha umhlaba for him to have isibindi sokuthi uyawudonate lo mhlaba wethu. Uthatha Oppenheimer weza nomhlaba la. Uthathanga nomhlaba. So it doesn't make sense ukuthi le ndawo isabizwa Oppenheimer. Shokuthi bayasukumeza on a daily basis. Sibona abacindezeli bethu being honored in our own places. That must stop. Manje ke makhehla njengoba siya lapha Credo Mutwa village, isiqalo sokwakha the divine kingdom on earth. Ngoba lapha siyokhuluma hayi ngephepha ne-degree. Yebo lokho siyadinga sowuthola ama-skills athize, kepha sifuna umoya wakho ukuthi yini wena lento ozalwe uyifumbathile. Enye into ukuthi which kingdom within the empire kaMvelincane do you belong? Are you a hero? Umvundisikazi noma umvuseleli? Injani? Ngoba abelungu basiphambanisela izinto. Wasitshela wena ukuthi uyi-Aquarius and yet you are the opposite. So it's very important ukuthi abantu abamnyama bakwazi lokhu futhi bakwamukele. Remember when we are talking about the great empire of Kemet, asikhulumi ngento insumansumane. A structure that once lived, and a structure that always created a resonance between Izulu and Mhlanga. shokuthi abantu were doing what is called an innate talent. Bebe phila ngayo. If wena we are a potterer, be the best potterer. Hey, ukuthi kuze kula kufika abantu base Japan bazothenga nje. Lokho kubazayo. Why? Because you are the best. Hey, even our future governing system izoba njalo. It will have 12 departments according to the houses, because we'll be trying to create a resonance all the time. Akekho umuntu ozohlupheka in the future that we are pursuing. Ngoba sibheke amatalent abantu. We are going to nurture people's talents. Ukuthi une degree unama doctorate angakanani, it means nothing. Are you aligned? Ne talent lakho. If you are not, it's useless actually when we are zibulala self. Because idlozi lakho wants to fully express through your physicality. So i-consciousness yakho wena iphambene. So all these black creatives and black professionals, who right? Because abanye abantu vele they are married to a title. Umuntu onama degrees ayi-6. Mele umhloniphe ngaleyo ndaba yakhe. Even if a consume information yengane, mnike that position. So that sikhona ukuthi sihlangane singabantu abamnyama. Akekho umunye umuntu ngeke kusuka eChina, neJapan, neJuda somewhere lizoyakha into yethu. And the mesikhuluma ngale structure, we are talking about people who once experienced what is called the golden era of the continent. La everything there was harmony. Abelungu bebefika la, when they report, all the labantu laba ba plagiarize it. Some of them are honest, but abantu abamnyama the way baphila ngakhona, balala ebusuku, bavule iminyama. Ngoba akekho umuntu onesidingo sokuthi ayotshontshela omunye. Everybody is complete in who they are. Hey, if manje ungekho complete, isidingo phela sizoba khona. Yingakho uzothola ukuthi even the moral fiber yethu has been destroyed. Yilento batshela ukuthi impucuko. Lento esikuya simpucuko i-regression kahle kahle. Balokho bayipackage as the nicest thing, and yet poison kithi. Manje ke namhlanje sizokhuluma ngoHetero umvundisikazi ne-development. Okokuqala asilungiseni the idea ukuthi we are in a universe. What does that mean? Uni means one. And the thina siphila in many dimensions. So we are not in a universe, we are in a multiverse. Hey, lokho mele siku-understand. Abelungu basikhohliswe ngalokho, because now, if you have that belief in your mind, you will never think of the possibility of you existing in another dimension. Bakulokile. Hey, bakulokile in the physical dimension. And yet wena umoya, you are the electric body surviving through umvelingane. Without umvelingane, there's no life on earth. Hey, so manje ke mesikhuluma ngoHetero. uHetero, it is that section, yes, bhakabhaka, that contains that energy. Yingakho kuthiwa at this time the moon is exalted. Do you understand? Because the moon inamandla, and enye into esingamelanga siyenze, ungahlukanisi umvelencane nonomkhubulwane. Ngoba ikhona leyo belief system. Hayi mina ngihamba nenyanga. Inyanga ithola phi light yayo. Ungabi foolish. Wenza izinto foolishness nje. Ilanga produces energy that is reflected by unomkhubulwane. Yingakho sithi scientifically you cannot go to umvelencane through the sun because the sun has not been born yet. Izozalwa yindlovukazi unomkhubulwane. So the sun umntwana angeke akubike ubaba, ubikwa umama. Uthi naye ingane ikhala ngeyicathulo. Baba sibanibana wenza iplan. Usho mama. Hey. So isenzo ke senyanga. Inyanga contains this fiery energy from the sun. Igodle bese ke ifita ingane nempilo nemvelo and everything so that there's equality, balance. Because if unomkhubulwane akekho, we all burn and everything that lives on earth. So ungakhohliseki uma uzokuthiwa yindodana ekufaka kumntana, ayikho leyo. Umama unomkhubulwane okufaka kumntana. Manje ke uHetheru yilelo dlozi elivundisayo, meaning ukuthi abantu actually bonke abantu abazalwe ngalesizini, there's some commonality. They are natural naturals. They build things labantu laba. Do you understand? Meaning ukuthi i-idea mayifika ngomvuseleni, when everything is being renewed, bona they capture that idea by developing kuphi ebumnyameni. It means ukuthi nawe ungalokhu upepereza ngezinto zenzayo. Ungalokhu upepereza, because the minute ukhuluma ngayo whilst it's still in development stage, uyayibulala. Yisebenzele kumnyameni le. So that mawuyikhipha, so ucommunicate ngesikhathi sikabani? Jehud umlomokazi. Jehud. Umlomokazi. Yiso isikhathi ke lapho ukuthi manje so uhlebela abantu. Ngoba so solid in terms of development. So uyabachazela ukuthi hey man, I'm working on this and this and that and that and that. Do you understand? But nakhona into ayikakabi ready. Immaturity will come monete umvikelikazi, because that is the month of maturity. So development man, we are being developed not spiritual. It means, you know, a renewal has happened. So now we are in a developmental phase. So whether you like it or not, you are affected by that. Inkinga ukuthi uma ungahambi ngomoya uzothola ukuthi makufika le stage you have nothing to develop. Hey, ngoba wena awuna plan for yourself. You don't have a personal plan, because anithi kuthiwa lamadlozi kumele thina siwakhulule by changing our consciousness. Sazi ukuthi idlozi alifuni uidlishe, alifuni ubuvila idlozi. Idlozi lifuna futhi implementation. Kungalokho kukhululwa why. Do you understand? Hey, kumele kube ne, even on your personal level, go step by step, ungajahi ukompete nomunye umuntu. Ngoba umunye umuntu seke kule level Now you have to be there. Look, i-chance yakho mawudlulile this year, ibambe next year. Remember sathini Makhehle, yonke into iqala emoyeni. And the la si strong khona spiritual. Unomkhubulwane, basis, that is spiritual development ngo March. Unomkhubulwane uthi mina ngihlukanisa inyama nomoya. I divide what is of physical and that of spirit. Inyama is then contained, meaning ukuthi inyama hibernates nomvelincane. Then again on March 21st, that is when we do the spiritual work of the things that we want to see manifest in September, Makhehle. Meaning ukuthi ito uyipusha ngokamoya before uyenza physicality. Meaning ukuthi isimple lento ngilokho ngisho ngithi we think in pictures. You don't have to labor that much. Just feed your mind with the proper picture and do not be ambiguous in your mind. You must be clear. Ukuthi na into engifuna. Cabanga if we develop from March, ukuthi kufika September kunjani? We are gone. Ukhashwa umoya. Do you understand? So I'm not talking into mina esingayi implement thina. Khona manje sina ama product akhona already. You know that very soon sizokhuluma ngawo siwalonje like the Chemist Church. Normally it takes abantu many years to come to this position, but because si flow no more, things then becomes much easier for us to actually do that. So i-development ilapho ke Makhehle, i-development yangempela, i-development yomoya. Remember ukuthi you can't then start visualizing and thinking, about something that you want to do. Isikhathi manje remember ukuthi a period of that spiritual development iqala ngoMarch iphela ngoSeptember. NgoSeptember you should be physical, where you are now implementing izinto that you have developed spiritually from March. So we must never lose that, okay? Meaning ukuthi, i-calendar, njengoba ngisho ukuthi asi-ornament, i-guide kithi. And I've heard so many people, abathi mebethola i-calendar, when they read their principles, iyafana leyo. Lento abayifundayo ifana nalento abayiyo. So, i-calendar yethu iyaphila. It's a living instrument for us to transform our lives. Remember ngathi makuphela le COVID, black people can never emerge as slaves again. Kumele si-emerge as kings and queens again. In our own state. We own this South Africa. We own the rest of the continent. Hey, manje kumele si-emerge in that way. And ke into esemqoka. Impeni iyoqhamuka in the south. There could never be a complex yaseGiza without a complex yaseMpumalanga. There could never be that. So isiqalo sila. And isiqalo yini futhi. The science confirms that. Ukuthi when they did genetic study, they found ukuthi iningi labantu abase-South Africa i-DNA yabo ifana ncamashi nabantu ababhidla ema-pyramid. I-science leyo that will never be announced because when you are not supposed to know these facts. But i-report is there. In one of the sessions we had, i-foundation had lapha UNISA. Yes, Dr. Ang, angazi noma nemazi, Dr. Ang, presented. No Rutendo knows, that report. He presented what I'm telling you. Ukuthi ungazinyathi. You are great. Uyinzalo yalabantu abenze izimanga le. Kepha baqalela. That is the power and the strength salento esikuyo. Lento will never, allow ourselves ukuthi sivumele to be slaves again. Slavery will persist when you are relentless in following politics and religion. So, as much as less into exist, we can't destroy them now. Before our parallel system is strong, I see again, zife a natural death. Let them die a natural death. Futhi singalokho siziwarisha ngabo. Thina asakheni a brighter future. For lengane mina yazi 14 siyahamba. Iwariya milaba. Ukuthi nabo are they going to grow up in poverty now? Are they going to grow? Are we now confining lengane lezi to a life of poverty? Ukuthi we have a choice. We have a choice, all of us. But manje sibuswa ego. I cannot sacrifice. Lo msebenzi enguwo. Noma ngizwa ukuthi uyangibulala ngaphakathi. Ngiyalapha, I can't wait to leave that place. It means you spend 8 hours yonke nje wena uhlukumezeka la. But now because of the package, you then say, "Hayi, ngiyabezwa. Kepha bazongilambisa. Mengabalandela laba. I'm going to lose my house and whatever." And uthola ukuthi la uhleli khona ulokhu uhlukumezeka. Uthola ikota of what you deserve. Once you make a major shift, amadlozi athi hayi kade sakulindela wena. Sowufikile. Bye bye. Umoya usebenza njalo Makhehla. Umoya usebenza njalo. Sometimes siyakwata ukuthi hey mina ngifuna lokho. Mengenzakala uthuka namadlozi. Hayi sisebenzi. Idlozi. Yes. And idlozi liyaplan. Where ahead. Ngoba idlozi lihuwa ngithi. Libona ngale. Wena ulokhu uscreama la why bangincintsha lento. Idlozi lithi hayi uzochayisa ngalento. Uyithatheke wena ngenkani uhambo. Ufika uchayise la. Ngoba ufostila ngithi. Thina senza izinto ngenkani. All we do siyaphahla, and ukuphahla kwethu siphahla without expecting anything. Ngoba mawuphahla uzitshele ukuthi after a week you want a result. I want to Abengani yakubona lo. Phahla genuinely. And uyi free flow. Uyazuthulule nje isifuba sakho. and ungabathethisi man. Khona lento egcwele la. Mele uchikile. Uchikane. Manje mele ungene emsamo uzubathunge ube yonke lento. Ngoba indlovu has nothing to do with the choice that you made consciously. You made a choice to serve i-system yabelungu. It has nothing to do with them. You made that choice. So manje ke balinde. And the more uphahla, I know from experience, the more uphahla ukhohlwa magic happens.
Yes.
Physically manifested. So indaba zomoya zinjalo ke maphela. Kuthiwa uHetheru futhi nalaba ke angazi noma ukuthi isikhathi sokuhlanganisa ithandani. Isikhathi sothando. Umuntu wakanga kumangaleli ma romantic. Alokathe lo muntu maze yitshe manje. Kwenzakala umoya khona. Umoya khona. Uthiwa uHetheru uhlanganisa vele ithandani. And isikhathi sokuthi ngikhulumile lento last week sokushada. Uyakhumbula ngakhuluma ngesikhathi saNuti. Ngathi ngesikhathi sikaNuti is the only time ozokhona ukuthi wenzele amadlozi or amathongo akho lo msebenzi esithi umsebenzi wokugeza nokukhuphula idlozi. Yiso that's the only time. Thina singama Africa. I-resonance is very important. Ungenzi izinto ngesikhathi esirong. Ukhuphula amadlozi ngoDisemba ayifuneki leyo nto leyo. Linda ngesikhathi sikaNuti. Ngoba uNuti uyisango. Remember uAlpu umqaphi wesango. uNuti uyisango lezulu. At that time she births ama-souls. La thina esizowa yabona ukuthi le mimoya thina esizoyiqoka izalwa ngesikhathi sikaNuti. Kanti futhi at that time uNuti wamukela laba sebeshonile. But manje unale waiting period. Thola ukuthi umuntu uhambe la emhlabeni ayiChristian angafuni iningi ngalezi. Ushiye abantwana kuleyo nkinga. And lo muntu remember ilogic kulento. Umoya wakho uzalwa upure. Kepha woniswa ukukhuluma ukubheka nokucabanga umolisa lo moya. So kusemqoka ukuthi maso uhambile so ushonile ukuthi sikukhuphule ukuthi lo moya siugeze ngosiko ukuthi ubuyele to the original state the way bonga khona. So manje asiyinto leyo thina sesi approacha life intelligent. Thina I see October ngesikhathi sikaHetheru in the future mass weddings.
Yes.
Wow. Mass weddings. Akufika uJune. Remember uJune important kanjani. uJune nge-winter solstice. Ilanga lisuka le northern hemisphere. Selibuya ngapha to the southern hemisphere. So ilanga lihamba namadlozi. Amadlozi ayilanga. Ilanga lingamadlozi. Manje ke isikhathi esihle sokukhumbula. Sambe siyoqina emathuneni. Siyabakhumbula laba bangasekho. You understand? Basibakhumbula ngesikhathi sikaNuti. That's the intelligence yokhokho bethu. everything has got to create a resonance, otherwise, when's the party? Hey, you know, Sibonga indlovukazi, andlovukazi. Indlovukazi silethele iwine namhlanje. Shama get down. Not only that, indlovukazi yasiphelela namhlanje. Ngesikhathi sikaHetheru vele emele kubeni. Shama Cilongo. Celebration. Celebration. The whole season. Mele si celebrate. Hey, yini lesi celebrate time? The exaltation of the female energy. Ukuthi i-microcosm kaNomkhubulwane omama bethu, we make them feel special. Siyaba celebrate ngoba without them we wouldn't be here. Indoda has got to come to that realization. Ukuthi without umama angeke uphile la kulomhlaba. Isikhathi incubation isikhathi sokuhlonipha and sibonga leso sibeletho manje. The universal womb. And it's through umama that we are. And it is through umama again, which is the energy of uHetheru. Remember, uHetheru neHeru. These are two opposites. This is the fire, the light to Heru, but it must be contained somewhere. So uHetheru umfundisi contains that energy. Yiyo le energy eqhumisa ilenduza whatever oyitshale ngoSeptember. So leyo energy yenzani la ngaphakathi kwayo? Imbewu nje. Whether utshale imbewu embi iyaphuma vele. Iyaphuma automatically. Which is why you need to guard against what do you deposit into your subconscious mind every minute. Ngoba lezo zini, especially ngalesikhathi samanje. Hey, uzoloko ujule ngezinto ezirong. Bese ukuthiwa umuntu loyiwa, awuloyiwanga. Izenzo zakho. Hey, what you deposit in your subconscious mind is destructive. Hey, yenza introspection ngalesikhathi. Wazi kahle ukuthi ngalesikhathi uyasho lapha mani lenduza umphahlo. Uthi akuna mafindo ngaphakathi kwenhliziyo yami. Ngimsulwa. Kumele sibe njalo. Remember ukuthi le ndaba yomoya yingozi ke. Yingozi and awukwazi ukuyifakela. Le ayifakelwa ngoba iwuwe. Angeke wena uzifakele. Do you understand? You need to be ngiyazi kunzima. Abanye abantu are accustomed. Bathanda negativity by nature. They thrive on negativity. Even inkulumo yabo ayakhi mawumamela umuntu. And labo bantu mina ngiyaba avoida. Ngoba angizwani negativity mina. Ngizwana nokuthi menginawe angibe inspired to be the best of me. Manje mengihlangana nawe bese ke uyangehlisa. Phela mina ngiku-9. Hey. Mina ku-9. Manje uyafuna ukungehlisa. Ungifaka kule confusion yakho. Hayi. Ngezi lapho. angiyenda ngithanda futhi ngithanda intellectual stimulation ukuthi mase engage yazi nginokuhlala lapha entambama ebusuku ngi-analyze ukuthi ukhehla uthe and leyo nto le uyazi ukufunda lokho ezinye izinto oyishoyo ziyangifundisa. Let me learn from you on a daily basis. Angazi konke mina nginikezwe leso siqephu. So I depend on people that I interact with. Ukuze nami ilambu lami likhanye. I feed on other people's energies. So ngazongizela negativity all the time. Ngiyangibulala. Ngoba mina mengihlangana nawe I engage. Ngithi khehla buka lento le iso akumelanga ibe so. Ngifuna nawe engage manje intellectually. Singayehli. Remember ukuthi thina singamakhosi namakhosikazi singakhohlwa lokho. We are the firstborns. It means we are parents. Right? We were not birthed. We were created. Ezinye izizwe were birthed by us. So ngakhohlwa lokho umuntu omnyama. So manje when you confine yourself in level 6, sibona futhi nangezenzo zakho awusitsheli siyakubona ukuthi hey wena sesijajana kanjalo ngoba izenzo ngeke uyifihle phela izenzo ngeke uyifihle. Izenzo zakho yizo ezizosho ukuthi ukweyiphi level wena. Are you resonating as a parent or are you resonating as ingane? That's the difference. Tina, we are parents. What does that mean? Ukuthi you've got to be responsible. If umuntu omnyama angayiqondisi lento, it means ukuthi nabelungu self ingane lezi eziku6 ziyohlala zinje. Ngoba thina silandele ingane. Impilo yethu yonke we are inspired by ingane. Even their philosophy. Philosophy engekho. We are the only people with the philosophy. We are the only people with the script, say language. There's no other nation that can claim a script, say language, except Africans. Manje, buye kaya mAfrika. Come back home. Awuye kukuyiqilaza wena. Ngokuthi ungakhona ukuhlukanisa abanye abantu kunzima to make that jump. Kunzima to make that jump because uzwani ke la market. Le ayixutshwa. Ayihlanganiswa lento. Ifuna uyisebenze ipure iyodwa. Ungayitshela ukuthi wena usabeka inyawo ngapha nangapha. You've got to make that leap of faith. And awela mgodini. Uyazi mawela okhokho bakulindile so. Benze izandla so. Azokukhamba unini wadukwa wena wathunjwa. Finally we hayi bayasaba abantu manje and manje abantu abasaba ukujumpa basifaka enkingeni thina because we associate with them thinking ukuthi bajumpile. So bona ngezenzo nenkulumo uthi lo uthi shokuthi mekethi uthi Mekethi uthi khona lento embusayo. Ile khubalo nabelungu. Abashaya bangoma ukuthi siyoba lapha kanjani nabani? And uzwazi ke lamakhe. Akumelanga futhi sibe impatient ngalabo bantu. Siyabadinga. I-movement yethu idinga wonke umuntu. And abanye abantu fail to admit ukuthi isikhathi sabo salento asikafiki. They fail to admit ukuthi abanasabelo salento. Remember Tina, we are not about numbers. Tina igama esilikhiphayo lidweba abanikazi balento. Not everybody. Kunabanikazi okumele bayibambe bagijime nayo. Then it will make sense. Do you understand? And isikhathi sakho mesingakafiki, be honest. Be honest to yourself. Ukuthi isikhathi sami asikafiki. Ungasikhohlisi. Le ayifikelwa le. Ungasikhohlisi ngoba sizokuzwa la. Ukuthi uyini? Inkulumo yakho. Ngafani bakhona abantu abanjengindlovukazi. Indlovukazi zitheme zifika la. Za absorba. Nakhona umuntu ojulile ngento. Uyamuzwa noma ekhuluma ukuthi lo muntu lento akayikhi phezulu. Uyihlalele ekhaya ayedwa. Why dissect lento? Why dissect? Ukuthi okay kukhulunywa kani? Kepha manje mina i-experience yami yini until afike to that point where ukuthi there is harmony between the left brain and the right brain. Ngoba yinto efunakalayo le ukuthi kube neharmony lapha. Kungabi nombango lapha. Inyama ibange ukuthi hayi ufuna ukungiluzisa yonke lento imoto yami izothathwa. Umoya uthema nanendaba nalezinto lezi. Zingathathwa, it's okay. And it's okay vele kuyoqala phansi. Iningi lethu siboshwa ile yonto. Uthi ungakhona ukafota. Do you understand? Bese kuyazibopha. So uthatha ikaro lapha 1 million. Awuna income. Kubuhlungu kanjani umuntu uthola ukuthi hey labantu laba uyazi ipressure sifaka thina. Ngoba you want to be seen to be successful. Kanti needs man. There's nothing wrong with you. Look, makukubi. Kuvela itheza. Ngomba ngitheza. Engamnandaba ukuthi umuntu uthini. Ungalokhu ufuna ufosela wena. Hayi mele mthive ibhang. Makuphela inyanga ufonela thina esekhaya manje wafika i-2 or something. Umbhekele umuntu ohamba ngayimthele umuntu lo. Angazocela i-200 yepetrol ahamba ngale moto. There's no wisdom lapho makhaya. Remember ukuthi future yethu is very bright. If future yethu relies on our unity. And the singer unite ngenyama. Kumele si unite ngomoya. Ngalento esiyenzayo of creating the divine kingdom on earth. Indlovukazi besasho earlier. Abo heru mele bahlangane bodwa. Basitshele thina ukuthi what is common amongst them. Abo heteru bahlangane bodwa. Abo Jehuti bahlangane bodwa. So that society yethu must be structured like that. To go even further, send a machete with our, so that you will be confused mengubona. Une principle yakho oyiprintile la kuwe. Oh senyazi ukuthi you belong lapha in that kingdom. or so and so. Hey, that is how we are going to build the future yet. As African people, we must be structured in that way. Hey, ngoba sizalwe nayo lento yamatalent. The only thing mele it develop. Remember ukuthi sikhule esazi ukuthi italent means nothing. It means nothing. Why? Because i-system ikuvalela ngaphandle when you can't produce a certificate. 90% yabantu abala elokishini abanayo lencwadi. But uSifiso uye electrify lendlu. Usifiso lo lapha shaya malenduzi. He's an electrician uphiwe. Remember ukuthi principle yakhe uma-art. So for him it's all about balance. Negative and positive. Ngizbalance kanjani to create a spark. So manje nayo ke into esifunayo ukuthi wena uphile ngalelo talent. Indlovukazi beyitshela the other time ukuthi yena akayanga esikolweni kepha umsebenzi kagogo usikhandela i-ank lapha elenduzeni nenhlabathi. Something that is of value. It's something that we want to assist sincedise ukumarketa lo msebenzi, so that you see when you reach a point where your passion becomes your source of income, then now we are allowed to and impilo yakho then becomes umthandazo, because in everything that you do you're creating a resonance. Idlozi lakho liyakhona. Bengithi the other time, it doesn't matter if awunasikhathi uphethwe vele 9 to 5, kepha thola isikhathi sokuthi udevelop italent lakho. It doesn't matter ukuthi liyini. It's very important to us, because lelo talent lakho ungalinyazi kungaba isibane esikhanyisela yonke iAfrika. So mina into engiyibonayo ukuthi futhi ayikho enyini esingayakha. Remember ukuthi the political system, it's not us. Right?
Yes.
Ubukhosi has been turned against us by the very same political system. So manje okomhlaba nokwenyama sidele yiko. Kumanje kumele sivuse ubukhosi bomoya. Uyini lo bukhosi? Remember ukuthi the great empire of Kemet was formed by various kingdoms, right? Manje ke mesikhuluma ngalo bukhosi esikuvusa, the various houses, the various seasons, nama principle akho, they are kingdoms, right? That form the great empire of Kemet. Because that great empire of Kemet, kingdom kamVelincane, at the center of all these 12 houses, umVelincane noNomkhubulwane. Do you understand? So leyo ke yiyo ke into okumele asikaze futhi sizame in the nearest future, ever since we were sold by Midwembe leKemet eEgypt. Yanikeza abelungu nama-Greek nama-Italian knowledge about our secret dealings. Hey, the minute we expose ourselves to these people, and the nakhona is because of imali. Lifike iGreek, lithi ngicela ningigcobe. I want to be one of your priests. amakhosi athi ngeke awunasabelo kulento kepha bafike kulo weak amongst us umuntu othenga kalula bathi nayi imiliyoni awungcola then lo muntu agcina manje egcoba i-enemy now have access to our spiritual secrets. That's when they started conquering us. That's how we lost power in Kemet. Ubudlwembe. Umuntu must be aware ukuthi curse is a generational curse. Ubudlwembe on the continent. Huh? Labo bantu azange baphelele lapha. Angithi manje balokhu bayazalwa kabusha. Generations of them are being born again. They end up being presidents of the continent. Continuing. Ubudlwembe. How do you allow the queen to be the queen of your country? It's a London. Huh? How do you allow that? Remember, it's not only in South Africa. The queen owns the rest of the continent. From Ghana, Wakochwa, as the queen of Ghana. Now, South Africa, one niggas on the same title. Yile nzalo emizwembe lokizalwa. That's why Maketa, I kuthi yazi kuthiwa iva likhishwa elinye ifa. Masilokho sikhuluma kanje. Sifuna vele uzubuhlungu. Ukuze uyeke lento yenzayo. Asihlukumeza wena. Every day umuntu omnyama uyashubuka uyazi kunamali enduza angazi ukuthi first stage ukuba. Hayi man, their situation it's renage. Oh man. And it's been like that for years. Abantu balokho bakhumulena ngento eyodwa. Uzibuze ukuthi iPremier landa wiphi? Inkosi yayilanda wiphi? Huh? Hey, manje uzibuze lo mbuzo lo ukuthi yazi abanye abantu abamnyama of which mina I resist ngiyayiphika leyo. It's like ipoverty sidalelwe ukuhlupheka thina. We have made it a second nature yethu. Sesiya accept nje. How do you live netrain la? Enye mhlambi singene ejardini abantu mebe kitchen banyathela amatshe kuyongena ngale. The system has failed us and it will continue to fail us because it wasn't designed to make umuntu omnyama successful. It was designed to perpetuate slavery. Slavery that comes in different forms. It comes in different forms. Kepha is the same slavery. How can you change umhlaba wami bese kuyawudonate kimi bese then again nami willingly sengiyosebenza underwear. I mean, I'd rather die. I'd rather you renew myself. I renew myself. Yeah, bo. Ayikho nyini. Ukuthi uzophila under those conditions ngawona ke uyoqala phansi. Kuthiwe okay fine iclass bese ngiyiqalile ngifika ku8. Kepha ngadisturb by the situation. Mele ngiyoqala phamele ngiyoqala. If that needs be, kumele ngiyoqala phansi. Hey, and remember ukuthi Makhesh, into esigqilaza namanje into esigqilaza eyagqilaza okhokho bethu isibhamu. Induku yamagwala. Spam. Nanamhlanje abantu bethu basasabisa ngayo leyo nto leyo. When we protest peacefully, bazanani? Shokuthi bakhombisa ukuthi ukhokho wakho sadila naye ngalesi. Nawe uzolandela mama ngene emqhele. Umuntu omnyama ke loyo wenza kuwe leyo nto leyo. Kahle kahle umuntu omnyama mele thina mesithatha ubukhosi sisibhene isibhamu. Nobody should own a firearm. Your firearm umoya. Umuntu akuphazamise la ngaphandle akithi uzobe sewumisile umsamo wakho. Yini umsamo? Umsamo wakho is your pineal gland. Do you understand?
Yes.
Law is an extension umsamo wala. If the pineal gland yakho is calcified, awuzwa umsamo wakho yaphela. Noma ungabeka uhlabe imbuzi engakanani la endlini. Kepha lo msamo mawubheda ayikho into elungayo. Ngoba lo msamo yiwo o connected to umsamo kaMvelinqaba. Yebo. So manje ke makhehla ilapho lento le ukuthi ifuture mele thina imagine ifuture okumele sibe nayo. Ifuture mina engibona igodlo lezi zifo. Ngisakhuluma. Kumele sibe nesigodlo lapha eMpumalanga futhi lapha eMpumalanga we are going to replicate the temple of the sun ese-Egypt. Sizoyiphinda lapha eMpumalanga. Exactly as it is in Egypt. Right? Bese sithi itemple ka-Oset ese-Egypt. Siyifaka in the western marker. Do you understand? Sibe nale igodlo eyiphilayo mawuya lapha uthole vele ukuthi you are being renewed. Because of the articulation yomfundisi. Tina sikhuluma ama-intermediary. We will never encourage la ekemethi ukuthi umuntu uyi-intermediary. No. Umuntu that stands here and talk i-content. Umuntu oyi-guide. Uguide abantu ukuthi how to connect for themselves. We don't need an intermediary because this is what has made people abusers.
Yes.
Ilento le ugcina manje sowudliswa inyoka. Yini leyo? Udliswa notshani uphuziswa iparafini. Ni desperate kanjalo manje. How? I-desperation yani le. UmVelinqaba ulokhu uthi how? Ukhona. Unake, all you have to do unake. Ngizokunika yonke into oyifunayo. Ngiyakunika already because ngikunikeza impilo on a daily basis. All you have to do, acknowledge me. That's all. When you call it, just pray on it too. Maria abuse. He abuse. Remember what amaJerman. Namajuda. AmaJuda atreke abantu ababa abuser. 200 years ago, 300 years ago. Baba fake ejele manje. So nathi ngeke sikhohlwe lento le. Hey. You guys know Umtabaruka. There's that song yakithini. Akhuluma trialing all these politicians and religious people. Hey, there's that song. It's a poem kahle kahle. Meaning ukuthi he is predicting ukuthi in future the generation yengane will have the right to take those people to court. Ukuthi when you are part of my violation, of my human rights violation, man. What you by supporting a structure that is a poison to them. Siyabayeka basichaphaza manje. They are in cahoots neyingane lezi abelungu. Abelumbi kahle kahle sabili. Abelumbi. Yebo. So it's recorded. Ayipheli leyo. One day sizoba miss enkantolo. When you're part of this system. Now you're part. Abanye we will try them in their absentia. Vele. Kumele kube njalo. Kunini umuntu omnyama ahlukumezeke. Igana yakhulule pseudo freedom yeza nini eGhana. You see, is it not in the 58 59 Cabanga ke. From that time until now, umuntu omnyama is still under subjugation in their own land. Asabelungu manje. Abantu abafana nami. Who are allowing it. Bavumela umlungu asiqaphaze. Yebo. Bavumela umlungu not only eMzansi Koko, all over the continent. That is why uzothola ukuthi abantu base Nigeria are here. Abantu base DRC are here. Coming to look for opportunities. Why? Because in Africa, Iloki breed are the same leaders who don't care about their people. How can abantu base DRC balambe? DRC is one of the wealthiest countries, man. Inayo yonke into ifana neSouth Africa, DRC, Angola, Nigeria, Zimbabwe. Makungahlangana nje lama countries abe under control yethu, there won't be poverty on the continent. And the sibe nama leaders ahluzekile. Ama leaders omoya hayi nonsense esikuyo manje. Abantu abayicabangela bona self-preservation. As long as mina ngi right and my family right, then I'm okay.
Let them go.
Bazohamba. Ukuhamba bazohamba. And bayoxoshwa umoya. Bovuka ekuseni kube lento ebathiphayo bona. We can't know, we can't predict ukuthi umoya uzodila nabo kanjani, because the more bagqilaza thina benyama is the more bagqilaza okhokho bethu, because okhokho bethu can no longer fully express through our physicality, because sisejele siboshwa manje abantu abamnyama. The minute uvuma to be a president of a republic, selling out starting. To be a sellout, it starts there. I'm going to be a president. Tina swaza ma president, saza ma cause. Hey, that is why you can't come to us to impose. Tina says umuntu oslidayo impose. You can't come and use that phrase. Because wazi kahle ukuthi wena before ungena la wanikeza icontract ukuthi uyavuma ukuthi uqueen indlovukazi yakho. I do my lord. Usange phakathi uthi wena angithi wena you will be managing umhlaba and resources zika queen on behalf of the queen.
Yes, I do.
Are you a manager? Yes, I am, my lord. There's nobody who has become a president in South Africa or Africa young ongayenzanga lo process. Bonke bangena basi. But bafana bonke. All leaders of the republics. What is a republic? A republic, a company is an independent company that is owned by a queen. Right? Hey, it's registered there. It's owned by the queen, a republic. Right? And the Baifomenjan, Mokchoncha umhlaba wethu. That is the first initial asset that they had. They balkanized our land and our resources. they formed this Republic of Ghana, Republic of, hey, yazi bengilong ngithi onyerere bangcono nix. O Kenyatta nix. Huh? Omgabe nix. Akekho hlukile bonke they're the same. Even though Haile Selassie was worse ke Lord. Hey, ube impinji kanje yequeen. Makuba nempi lapho bomangisto babagijimisa ubalekele. Yeah. He was hey man, yes. Same thing. Besikhuluma about the way umuntu omnyama engakhona. Ukuthi I-attack yomuntu omnyama, it comes from all angles. Huh? You are in the arts, we are shy. You are in the spirituality, you are in the economy, we are shy. Everywhere. The latest Indugu, Ilendugu yamakhosi. Bana ubasitshela ukuthi basirepresenta. Uzirepresenta isiqhatshazo wabelungu. Uthulile tu. Abelungu basiqhaphaza left, right and center. Instead when we are part of that. Ngoba we are receiving a mere 15,000 every month. You are selling us for that 15,000. Yini mari ngathi yini kahle kahle. Huh? Akekho ke umuntu akuzo zonke le structure who emerges and says no, wrong land. Huh? Wonke umuntu nje is working towards perpetuating ingcindezelo yethu. Yingakho ngithi ayipheli la. Usuku oluzoba khona la sizobe sesibusa ngalendlela esiyakhayo man. When the divine kingdom has been established here on earth and throughout the whole black world, whether you say Jamaica, whether kuphi, we are connected nathi. Sizobe futhi sesine chemical chat. Ungena lapha ubuzo ukuthi wena what is your kingdom? Based on your date of birth, you choose ungena lapha. Uhlangana nabanye aboheru bale Jamaica basekuphi bakuphi yonke indawo. This is how we should look at this thing. Asakhi nje thina mesihlangene la. It's not about futhi abanye abantu bathola a wrong impression. Okokuqala, let me correct lento le. Asisonto lento esiyenzayo. Ngoba uzwa abantu i-colonization isabaphethe. Remember ukuthi thina lelanga sithi umsombuluko. AsiyiSunday. ISunday yeza nabelungu. Wena ngithi sowujwayele le propaganda yabelungu. So ungasibuki thina ukuthi si resonate nabantu be6. Siku9 thina. We are not in a church. It's a lecture. And the lecture to remind ourselves. Because lendole, njengoba ngisho there's what is called genetic memory. Siyayazi lento into ukuthi ikhohliwe. So mengikhuluma kanje, stimulates some fire la within you. Ukhumbule man nyazi lento but angazinyazi kanjani. That's all we do here sonti la. Hey. So siyasontula. And mina yazi ngiyabonga ngoba yabona i-reality ye-black unity nah. And the irreality ye-great empire of Kemi ngoba sihlangane kanje. We all belong to different houses. Huh? We all belong to different houses. Ukuthi nje manje mele sibe structure. Mina bengithi ke asiprepareleni i-governing system of the future. Huh? We don't have to have opinions. Sifuna amathalente. Sazi ukuthi laba baka hetero ama-develop. This is what they do. Thina i-conceptions, but in strategic vision. Abantu baka lentuza. You know, lapha mhlambe uAsad. Into developer i-vision. Then abantu baka hetero iboka bayivundisayo bayidevelopa lento. Bayihlaziye ukuthi no nayo. This is how it can be structured. Then abantu baka Jehudi bayicommunicate to the rest. Asidinge mali makhetha ukwakha lobukhosi bethu. Asidinge mali. And lobukhosi bethu asiyinto engekho. Yinto ekho. Mongabuza nje manje abantu abazalwe ngesizini kaJehudi. Are they not in communication in their personal life? Most of them are in communication. Without them knowing or realizing into bakuyo. But manje ikeme iyaku lighten up. Ukuthi kahle njengoba wena ulokuthi ngithanda ijournalism noma uyukuzwa abelungu nje ukuthi ubhale ngami kabi. It's okay. But Baba vele imgami lasiyuza wena. Uza la elokishini sibloma nawe. Kanti uzosaka information for indaba. But okusalayo, that doesn't take away the fact ukuthi we are a communicator. So manje ke makhetha indaba. You know, asihambeni siye emakhaya, sibukisise endele event. Buka kunebhuku la na. Indlovukazi ize nebhuku. Wonke umuntu sicela bhalise ikhono lakhe. And ungasabi ukuthi wena unama degree, asifune ama degree. I-degree is a plus. Do you understand? I-degree is a plus. Kepha bhalisa so that sibe khona le. Ngoba sizama uku-invite nabanye abantu abamnyama who are not here. So that sihlanganeni lapha ekhaya lendaba. Vele mele sibe lapha. Masenza lento. Kumele sibe lapha sihabule umoya kaBaba Credo. uBaba Credo ushone emhlabeni eyifisa lento le yenzakala la. Ubeyifisa ngenye indlela. Manje meke buke emuva. Ebuka thina ledlazana uyajabula. Bejabula kakhulu. Manje ke asambeni siyomjabulisa ngokuthi manje sikhuluma manje sakhulumi ngetheory. Sesikhuluma ngestructure. Ukuthi le structure of the future kumele sibe njani. Abantu behealth obani. Abantu be-engineering obani. Abantu balokho obani. Asakhuluma ngalokho okufundele by nature. Umuntu is an engineer by nature. Uyambona izinto azenzayo ukuthi lo muntu uyayithanda lento and is good at it. Lo muntu akadingeke ukuthi azaye esikolweni. Futhi isikolo sikwenza dom. Isikolo sikwenza dom. Uyakhumbula mina wena Khehla. I used to support Msholozi. Uzom. The time kusanempi between bona noMbeki. Bengumsupporta ngereason A1. Ukuthi yena ubizwa iqaba. And that is the mindset I love. Yes. Because the mindset that is not polluted, man. Yes. It's pure. Yes. Ngathi kuthiwa iqaba hamba naye. With the hope ukuthi uzosibuyisela la kumele sibe khona. Ebuqabeni manje. Uzoba besicabanga ukuthi uzothi meke eParliament. abeki interpreter la athi mina ngikhulumisa isiZulu ofuna ukungizwa akamamelela abake nje lenza njalo ubuka amaqaba ase-Israel enza njalo babeka interpreter la bayikhulumele igibberish yabo esiJuda nale India benza kanjalo. You will never hear a prime minister leduza iloko ikhafuna slow ukudlula ikhwi never. So nathi mele sibuyele lapha. Manje ke wasengena lapha ukhehla. Hayi mina mengizwa ke kuthiwa the first thing ayisho ukuthi ngifuna ukukhuluma nesilungu. Ngoba bayocabanga ukuthi ngisidum. Wayilahla lapho. Kanti besifuna hlale kulokucaba bakhe. Lesesikhathele labantu abafaka amathayi bakutshela ukuthi mina ngifunde Sussex. The Sussex. Ngithenda abantu base-Sussex bayinkinga manje. Bayinkinga ngoba nongifame Nkrumah bebekhutha le-Sussex ngithele Sussex le. Inkinga. Awuthi sike sinike iqhaba ichance. Waze washo vayele naye wathi mina mengeke angeke kube nengane ezoba khona estradini. Once ngithola ingane estradini ngiyobopha abazali babo. Akekho akumelanga kube nomuntu ayikhishayo. That's what uZuma said. But manje ipressure man. And mase sibuka la kuma social siyathola naye ukuthi ugqokile la jazi lama nights. And the bonke from Gutata Tabomedi bonke. You know the history of the Knights Templars. Who are responsible for a lot of atrocities in the world. When as an African president you are humble, you get a lianto. Kanjani. Kulanga bona ke khona ukuthi we are defeated. Thina maqaba. Si defeated. Mina ngiqaba. I was never fashioned by any university. Ngiqaba mpela wrong. Ngifundisa umoya man. Oba umoya owangithumela nendlovukazi kuba Craig. Ende umoya owangenza ukuthi sise America. Sibuye nenqwaba yamavideo kaFarrakhan. One trip sifika lapha uFarrakhan uqhathwa nalo indodakazi kaMalcolm X. Abelungu batshela le ndodakazi ukuthi your father was killed by Farrakhan. There was that confusion in Igcwele all over that's the time. Let's figure lapha ubani lo baba lo. That's a long time ago. Let's figure ubani lo. And the manje mase research and sithe sabuya ne suitcase egcwele amavideo akhe so. Uzwelabo ngabe phela bekazi ukuthi ngoba the way besidlala lamavideo ngakhona uzwelabo saseyingane. Bothi mefika akubuze ukuthi you want Farrakhan? As I'm playing Farrakhan for you. Hey, so Farrakhan played a very important role in our lives in terms of conscientizing us. Ukuthi it's possible umuntu omnyama can challenge isystem yabelungu in America and survive.
Yes.
Lento esikhuluma ngayo uFarrakhan uyayiphila already. uFarrakhan une community of black babizana Nation of Islam. Ba produce ama products. Abathenga ama products.
Yes.
They produce things for themselves. Imali circulator kanje.
Yes.
uFarrakhan as we speak controls billions of rands. Edlula la amongst the black people. So uFarrakhan mele sistudy his whole system, how it's structured, but not his Muslim. We must stay away from the new Muslim theory. Asifunze into yengane ebe azi ukuthi chemit yaphila exists. Kula mina naye sahlukana khona. Ngathi as much as he inspired me, but when it comes to this, I'm not following him. I will never be a Muslim. Mshinje nguzwelbanzi. Sengiyobizwa Salam. Imagine. Multi-zwelbanzi, there's a resonance. Yidle salam lo. Ubiza manje so salam Abdul whatever. Bakuthumba. Mawungena la. So mina uFarrakhan ke sahlukana lawo. But uFarrakhan ngisambonga namhlanje. Ukuthi uFarrakhan he's an example, a shining example of what an African leader should be. Ungakhohlisa abantu bakho. Khona manje it's over 20 years. Isowethu inje ukuthi sine freedom. If ngabe le ndawo beyicontrola uFarrakhan, ngabe sonke amakhehla la inxusi lezi they are growing in money, meaning ukuthi bazalwa in wealth. Hey, and then nakhona umukselana umntwana esikolweni yomosha unamabhiliyoni. Angithi uyofundela ukuthi akhona ukwenza lamabhiliyoni. Manje mela yenze la ekhaya. Umfake nje at an early age umfake emsebenzini umntwana. Akhule nayo lento le. The community yethu isowethu has got more people than SNT and whatever. Yes. It means ukuthi isowethu can surpass SNT in terms of development and growth. Yes. But leyo nto leyo ayenzakali because of i-mindset yomuntu omnyama. Silokho sikhothamela abo SNT. iSNT survivor ngani. Not only SNT, but the stock market itself. Yes. If umuntu omnyama were to remove their support from our products as a stock exchange, it falls. Yingakho ngithi le is going to do exactly that. That's why akumelanga sijahele ukwenza ama programs ukuthi asikakatholi unity. Ama programs azoba successful once we can demonstrate unity abantu abamnyama. That's the only time that will be an indication ukuthi now we are ready to launch ke ukuthi abanye benza ushukela lapha abanye benzini. Without that unity, oh no, we are just wasting your time. Kufana nalabantu abalahlela imali la elokishini. But umuntu omnyama uyeka leyo product ayothenga iproduct yeNdiya or iproduct yeChina. Iya la eChina mall on a Saturday. Manje njalo ke mina mengivula lapha ngiyazibuza ke ukuthi thina ke sihlulwa yini ukuqala iDakimon. La kube abantu abamnyama kuphela. Siyeza leso sikhathi. But leso sikhathi sifuna wonke umuntu la asebenze towards ukhabulisa umuntu wakhe, so that we achieve unity much quicker. Once we can demonstrate ngathi mina once just la stadium, hayi futhi nasefe la Orlando Stadium sigcwele, si celebrate lama principle ne calendar. Umlungu that day uyopheka amabheka. Hey, that's all we have to do, Tina. Asidinge any money. Is to just to mobilize abantu sigcwalisa stadium. Manje besithi soyenza lento bavale ngale COVID. Hey, but zinengi kabi indlela zoku demonstrate that power and unity yomuntu omnyama. Because we have to demonstrate it. Masiloko sikhuluma ngayo, when we don't demonstrate, ngeke basizwe. That day ngithi kuwe. Once we can do that, imali is going to follow us. Ngeke sisaya lapha capping hand sicela. Because bazobe sebebonile ukuthi umuntu omnyama uvukile and angikwazi ukuyekela le training sheet. So i-focus yethu must be i-calendar makhetha. I-focus i-calendar, unite umuntu omnyama nge-calendar qala. Asikabi ready to move over to the second step. The first step must be perfect. And the test the first step. Yileyo filling up somewhere. Whether I'm saying FNP or who. Sidonsa abantu baseMpumalanga, sidonsa abantu baseNatali, sidonsa abantu base-Cape Town, sidonsa wonke umuntu omnyama, even aba-abroad. Sihlanganele in one place, sikhuluma ngobu-Afrika bethu. That is the day we will call the day of liberation. You remember ukuthi June 16 yenzayo? Yathi beyenzeka. It ushered in a change in the mindset of the people. They knew ukuthi it's time now to release uDaki from kule ncindezelo akuyo. Ama-negotiations started happening. Lamabhunu sebebiza ubutata secret meeting. Abuthi abombeki bahamba bayokhuluma namabhunu. The time bababiza ukuthi ama-moderates ANC. But amabhunu athi we are engaging the moderates of the ANC. That is when things started happening. Utsiyetsi mashinini and the June 16. And how did it happen? Unity. Utsiyetsi united all student formation. Waba director, one direction. Hey, amabhunu bother. Umbuso kaBhota wawa phansi on that day. So nathi we need to do exactly the same thing. And mongabuka all the milestones we've achieved. So achieve it, see united, not divided. We can belong to different political schools if we are still tied there. You can still belong there, but as ukuthi unekhaya, ikhemiti okumele uyakhe. No, ukuthi ikhaya lakho it's khemiti. Malokhu ukuthi khemiti. Hey, abanye bashaya legama. Bashaya legama, and you know, it's describing them. It's blackness. Khemiti is blackness. If you feel ukuthi you are proud of being the one with melanin, you easily identify with Khemiti. Unless you so coconut. Hey. So siyacela ke mokhetha isengikhulume ngiyaxolisa ngokwazi. Kepha uyethe ruvele njalo. Kepha uthe namhlanje ufuna shama get down namhlanje. Iwayini khona ukudla khona asikhululekeni mokhetha tokoza. Imabala